Hey guys, this is me, Mr. Sandstorm66, and today in this video is going to be about where you can find the first 3 gold bolts in Ratchet and Clank 1 on the first official planet, the real planet, first real planet, planet Novalis. First 3 bolts. So, first of all, as you can see, I'm in this little room right here, whatever room. If you've played this game before, which you most likely have if you're watching this, you should know where I am, but if you don't, I'll just... Right here at the beginning of the level, right outside there is your ship, and, you know, right here when you come in here and you go up on here and jump onto these booster things and end up here, yeah, that's where I am. So yeah, first of all, simply get the first gold bolt. You're gonna just basically jump up here like I just did now, wall jump, and then right here there'll be a gold bolt sitting here for you, and you'll come up and get that, and that's gold bolt number 1. So now gold bolt number 2. Gold bolt number 2. Two. Okay, right here, see this little hole? This hole in the wall right here? Yeah, this was formed from an explosion. If you haven't gotten this gold bolt yet, this will be a wall. It'll look like just a bunch of rocks stacked up on each other, kind of. But you know where I am, so once you get here, you're going to either just take out any sort of explosive weapon. If you got the rhino or a bomb glove, whatever you use, just throw it at the wall and it'll blow up all the rocks. And then it'll make this hole, and then you'll walk in, and there'll be a gold bolt right here. Gold bolt number 2. Now, gold bolt number 3. Now, the thing about gold bolt number 3 is that you have to have certain equipment to get it. You have to have the thruster pack, and in which you do not get the thruster pack until one of the later levels. So yeah, if you're playing this level for the first time, like on a new game, you're not going to be able to get it. You're going to need to get equipment, but gold bolt number 3 is down here. Clear out all these guys. Sorry, I was trying to get all these bolts. It's never a bad thing, is it? Now, gold bolt number 3. You're going to come around here, back here, into this area that you should notice, and here's where the thruster pack is going to become a requirement. You're going to have to force your way through here with your thruster pack. Just about there. And yeah, over here. Now, oh crap, wrong side. Oh,